YFL alarms. Hey guys, so this is a Hochiki fire alarm collection, so let's get started. This is a Hochiki SOC E3N from 2019. Conventional smoke detector. This is another conventional smoke detector. This is the SOC E3. Also from 2019, Hochiki ALNE from 2021. This is addressable. So I'm going to link it up to my Kentech Synchro. And another addressable smoke detector is a older one. Hochiki, it's a ALGE. I think the smoke detector is from the 2000s. I think 2006, but I don't know. Comment what year did the Hochiki ALGE came out. Here's the base for the smoke detectors. By the way, it's on a Fullion Squashney Micro. Sounder base. I do have a Hochiki YBOBS sounder base and a Hochiki I think it's a SLKE. I don't know. Bye guys.